Welcome fall series. Okay, we are bringing in the fall series. This year I'm really planning to bring out a lot of videos for you guys. I know I haven't been doing great, but you know, life is life, and now I'm finally ready to come out on YouTube and do my thing. And in today's video we are going to be creating this beautiful look. Like, I never know what to call my looks. I feel like this look came out so beautiful. You guys are definitely gonna see this stud more often throughout my whole fall and winter series for the rest of the year. Yeah, you guys are definitely gonna be seeing this look a lot, so stay tuned. Okay, because I don't know what else we're gonna be creating, but this look came out so flawless, and I hope you guys like what you see. Like, everything came out so beautiful. If you guys like what you see, then keep on watching. But anyway, guys, my face feels so friggin' dry. Did I moisturize? No, let's moisturize. My face is feeling real dry. So right now I'm gonna go in with the Ole Henriksen Truth C Brighten Serum. I usually use this for my skincare, but I'm gonna use it right now because my face is dry. I'm just gonna place that right on top. And I'm definitely gonna do a skincare video soon, you guys. It's just I need a better washroom, so be patient with me, you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been recommending that, but just be patient. Now that I want a more refreshing face. Okay, my face still needs more uplift. Okay, it needs more energy. So I'm going to be applying the TACHA Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face. Ooh, you guys, it's almost done. I'm about to cry. Like, oh, you guys can't even see that, but it's almost done, and I'm gonna be so sad because this shit is pricey. And I got this like in a gift set. Okay, you guys believe the gift set is gone. And for this small tiny bottle, I'm even thinking I'm coming to buy like a bigger bottle. For this bottle alone is, I think it's at 80 bucks. Literally, for this bottle alone. And I got this in a gift set with like the skin mask, with the face mask, the creams and things. You guys know what I'm talking about. I got like 4 items in the gift set, and you're telling me that I'm gonna have to be I can't even discuss this. Like, look at my skin. Like, just look at my skin. We are definitely going to be going in because I already know my PLOUISE base, and I want to set the eyelids real quick. I'm really trying to work so hard on this YouTube life though, so you guys just be real patient with me. I always go overboard with this, and I shouldn't be doing that. Like, you don't need this much. I'm just so heavy with it, so don't mind me sometimes. You don't have to go as heavy as me. I'm just really heavy-handed. So I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place the Warrior 2 palette. Okay, and I'm gonna be playing with this whole palette. Not the whole shade, but a lot of these colors in here. I don't know what I want. I feel like I want like a full matte, like, see this brown? I feel like it's so dark, so I'm gonna have to go with like a trend. Ooh, that's too orange. Like, for a transition, that is too orange. Ooh, that might do. So I'm gonna go in with Yoda. So now I'm gonna go in with Kufuru. With Kufuru, I'm not bringing it all the way to the corners. I'm just kind of stopping right like in the middle of my crease area because I don't want it to bring it all the way in, if that makes sense. Okay guys, so now I feel like it's time to cut the crease. I'm gonna go back in with the PLOUISE base, and while I cut the crease, I'm going to be adding Canna on top of my lids. Oh my god, it's like the perfect, beautiful shade. But I definitely want to go in with something that would give me like a grayish, brownish vibe. Let me just add it first. I'm gonna smoke it in the end. Let me go in with Wazana first and then add Kufuru. Just because I feel like Wazana's a bit dark, yeah. That's pretty. What are you guys thinking about this eye look? I feel like it looks so nice and smoky in a way. So I'm going to wing out the eyes with my fave liner, the e.l.f. Jet Black liner, and then I'm gonna add my eyelashes off camera. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I feel like adding some gems to the eyes just to spice up the eyes just a little bit. But I want to add like little gems to like, I think they're like the ends right here where that whole cut area is. I think I'm going to add about 3 or 2 depending on how I can do it. But let's try these babies out. I want to try some. I don't know if it should be big. Probably do big because I always do big. But yeah, I'm just going to add some gems right there. I'm feeling that one. Like, I'm really liking the one right there. Like, that's so cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm loving it. What do you guys think? That is so cute, right? So I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox photo finish primer. I'm gonna add this all over the face. It just smells so good. I just have to put it out there. So shout out to KALARI for showing me this, the 7 Virtue Vanilla Wood. You guys, this is so bomb. It just gives you that perfect sweet remedy. And I don't give a freak. I guess I'm putting it on during my tutorial. It just makes you feel so good even while you're doing your tutorial, and put some on my hands. You feel me? So I can be more happier during this whole tutorial for you guys. Energy. Ooh. And I got the roller. By the way, I'm gonna buy the bigger ball. The bigger ball is like 98 bucks. I'm definitely gonna go buy that. So shout out KALARI. And I'm also gonna spray myself with this My Girl Oak Curls. Love this. This is her favorite perfume. She was just raving about it. She was like, oh my god, this is my favorite perfume, blah 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 blah. I'm like, yo, let me smell this perfume. Let me get one for myself too, right? And you guys, it's so friggin' perfect. Like, it's like a pink berry sugar. Like, it's literally what it says. Like, you guys will love this spray. This whole combination is lit, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place foundation, and we're gonna go in with Angola. Angola is my shade, right? Yeah. Well, it's not my shade. It's probably gonna be a bit darker than me for sure. So I'm probably gonna mix it in with my Anastasia Baby Hair Luminous Foundation in 550W. You guys already know this foundation is lit, but we're gonna mix the two. So let's go. This foundation is literally a full coverage foundation, so you have to be very gentle with it. Just want to make some of the stuff get over here. I have a beauty mark. Okay. I have a beauty mark right there. I know you guys can see it, huh? Yeah, you guys can see it. I know you guys can. I have a beauty mark and I need to start like putting a dot there so you guys can see that I have a beauty mark. My skin is looking so freaking flawless. I love the Juvia's Place foundation, by the way, you guys. Like, it's full coverage and it gives you this beautiful, you guys can see it for yourself. I don't even have to explain myself. I feel like I talk too much anyways, but yeah, you guys can see the coverage is just giving me. So now we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place concealer in number 12 and also the Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch. Obviously I'm gonna add Butterscotch first and then Chai on top because Chai is pretty light. I'm kind of afraid of it, so I'm just gonna mix in two of these. Yeah, so I decided to add Butterscotch like all over it, and then I decided to add Juvia's Place concealer right at my nose, the edge of my nose, and a little bit to the corners of my under eyes. So I'm going to allow this to dry a bit because the Juvia's Place concealer is a bit more on the water side, just a little bit. I'm already loving my eyes anyways. I think I'm going to do this more often in like majority of my tutorials. I gotta change up a bit. I need to have my own vibe right now. I'm gonna give this about 2 to 3 minutes to dry up, and then we're gonna blend this out. I feel like I need to go buy more contour sticks or more contours, so I don't have to keep using the same thing over and over again to bore you guys. I don't want to bore you guys. I want to change up a lot of things on my channel, but anyways, I want to go in with the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in Ebony. So now I'm gonna go in with I Am Magic Setting Powder by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go in with KALARI over the areas that I added the concealer. I haven't used this. I haven't used this in so long, so it's like, go and watch my last tutorial. Like, don't be mean, okay, guys? Support everyone. Support one another. Subscribe if you have to subscribe, but support one another. Yo, okay. So that's all done. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora powder quickly and just kind of like set the areas real quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in. I love the Morphe Glamour bronzers, by the way. Like, they are bomb. So if you don't have, go and purchase one from Morphe. And I'm gonna go in with Leader. Leader's a little bit lighter. Sorry for the whole dispatch right there. Okay, it broke, so I had to add alcohol. I had to add alcohol on it. Okay, so don't mind it. Some on my nose. Okay, we are almost done with the look because we gained some things. I don't know what I just said, but whatever. So I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner in brown. Okay, let's see what the heck. I'm going to be grabbing Jet Setter right there. This is one of my color brushes. So I'm going to add that instead and just use this brush to like really bring in the tone. I'm gonna go in with the Kiss Professional lip liner in dark brown, and then I'm also gonna go in with e.l.f. lip plumbing gloss in, I believe this is Champagne Glam. Oh, we did another friggin' look, you guys. This look is looking so pretty. Fall Series 101, okay? Prepare yourself. Dot vibes. So anyways, guys, let me go get dressed up real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. I love you all. Mwah.